What's up? What's up? Here we are again, and looking a little bit shadowy, ain't it?
Yeah.
Okay, but you know why it looks a little bit shadowy?
You have to open the
Because a
box.
bunch of sketchy guys from
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
See, he really pays attention. He really pays attention.
Sometimes.
Yay! Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for joining us again. Here we are for another mail call, and we are opening this shady box over here.
So this is a golden ticket pull that I did. So
Golden ticket. What is this, Willy Wonka?
yeah, sort of. Except you get free Diecast for a year.
Ah, yeah.
If you if
All he
you
got
get the
was
golden
a
ticket.
stupid trip to just some dumb candy factory.
So I'll put up with the.
Stupid goal.
Wait a minute. There's 3 cards in there. What is this?
Is there 3 or is there 3 cars?
I don't know, but now it's foam again.
You should not complain. At least this person packed it well. Not like the dip wads that did mine. Okay.
Yeah. Let me pour this out off camera.
Okay. Got some bad weather ahead, folks. Oh my god. I don't know what to do.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta dig out.
Okay,
Okay.
that might help.
I just did that to pass the time so people don't get bored and
Okay.
see like nothing.
So, this is a golden ticket pull.
Ooh, that
and
looks-
it's supposed to be
Something like you should give me.
exclusive cars
Okay.
because the golden ticket was a lot more than regular. So,
Ooh.
look at that. That is nice.
Hells yeah.
But let's get some close up. Let's see if I can get a close up.
That's a Deuce Roadster, right?
Yep.
Oh,
Move the box out of
frick. That is freaking nice.
there. Yeah, that is.
Holy crap. Wait. I was making sure the card was good.
Okay. Oh, look at that. There you go. Now that lighting is better.
Oh, brah.
Let's get zoomed in on
Look
that.
at that green. I don't know why. I like green on cars. I don't know why.
So this is a 2009. What is this? East Coast Collectors Event. Look at that bad boy.
Hell yeah. What's on the ass part? To turn them around? Yeah,
That's
right
the
there.
collector event.
Okay, it should have something.
I believe that's a collector event logo.
You like take them off, like
Yeah.
open one $50, $60, $100 card. Oh, what is that, Uncle? A regular Hot Wheel? No.
Okay, let's look at the next one coming out of the box. Oh,
Ooh, chrome.
super chrome.
What is the hell is that? Bifocal.
Yeah,
Bifocal.
it's car 404. It's a super chrome.
Dude, I thought you got the van because all I saw was that chrome van. And I was like, oh, hell yeah.
Me too.
Oh, it's numbered.
Oh, it's numbered. Yeah.
Did not know they made numbers.
5,341 of 12,500.
Oh, crap. Is the other one numbered
Get that
too?
number in there. Can we get that number in there?
Yeah, wait, hold on.
Here it is. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Wait, is the other one numbered too?
I don't know. No.
Oh, yeah, it
it
is. What is that number?
Yeah.
Ooh, what was that? 189 out of 2,000?
165.
165 out of 2,000. Oh, brah.
So now I'm confused because that pool had 2
Yeah.
cars in it. I don't know what this is. Can you see that? Is that on camera still?
Maybe it's a thermos.
It's another car there.
Ooh, it's in a box. It looks like a Jada.
Oh, it's a Dub City.
It's a Dub City Chrome Jada.
Oh,
Ooh, I knew it was a Dub City Chrome Jada.
wow.
Oh, shit.
Chrome Camaro.
I think you get them backwards. Yeah.
Oh, that is nice. Sweet.
2006. Look at that chrome job. You know that ain't no paint pen. That's the real deal, baby. I want to know what the limit is on that.
Does it say? I don't know.
It says limited, but they don't say the amount. Jada makes some awesome stuff, but I wish they would put like how much is made.
I don't see it on the box.
Yeah, it's not on the box. I don't know. I wonder if it's on the case.
And it's still sealed.
Yep, that's nice, man. Ooh.
Wow, that is sweet. That is sweet.
Yeah.
Wow, that is... I'm confused now. I don't know whether this is the pull or if this is the SUBCRIBE diecast now.
Well, we'll wait and see if you get another one then.
Because the pull only had 2. This has 3. So, if it's a golden ticket one, I obviously did not get a golden ticket. Maybe the next one I have a platinum ticket.
Oh, yeah.
I get free diecast for 5
Well, you know what?
years.
You got a chrome Camaro. I mean, right there, that Roadster makes up for it, though. I mean, that Roadster is just freaking it, man. Wait, should put that Camaro back down. Okay, I want to look at. Check this out, sir. You see this and this. Now, is that a 164?
Yeah.
And this is a 164, but
Oh, actually, no, I don't think this one is.
it's not a 164.
No, this one might be a little bigger.
Because I was like, what the hell? It looks huger, man.
I don't have a Camaro that's nearby. But these may be maybe like a 155, maybe.
Freaking Jada, they make some nice stuff, bro. Gotta give it up to them. I mean, Hot Wheels too. I mean, damn.
Well, I haven't seen Jada put acrylic cases with their cars in a while.
Yeah, the last one I seen them do was the V-Dubs. It was a bus. And, I remember there was a ton of them before. Now you can't even find them.
Yeah. All right, let's
All right,
close this
so
out.
we are done here. This is our spectacular mail call right here, which is pretty cool. A lot of cool cars. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much for, kicking it with us and tolerating our our BS. Hopefully you're entertained and you leave much wiser than we are. So, but I would like to thank everybody for showing us some love. Mucho mahalos for that one, man. And we'll be back with more stuff. We got to go work and make money, and then, beg on the side for some tips. And then we can buy more stuff. Don't forget now, our name is
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Don't Word Up, man.